Alright, so welcome to this video. In this video, we'll start with the beautification process of your WordPress site. So this is where you install your theme and you install your plugins and you start creating your home, which is your WordPress site. So theme is basically nothing but the look and feel, the general look and feel of your website. So right now, if we just visit our website, let's just open up in a new tab. If we visit this website right now, this is how it's looking like by default. All right, and this is what is known as your theme. So it is a layout, the basic layout of your WordPress website. The front end, how your front end looks like. The front end is something like the actual website which your audience is able to see and access, while this is your back end. The back end is something which an admin can only see. Your audience cannot go into this admin panel. So this is your back end of the website and this is the front end of your website. And this particular thing can be changed from the appearance and themes. This is where you change all the things. So if I click on themes, here is where we can add new themes, install new themes and activate new themes. So by default, when you install WordPress, it gives you some basic options of themes which are already installed. So you don't have to install them. These are the basic ones. And based upon WordPress, it keeps on rotating the numbers 2016, 2015, 2017. So right now, currently they have 2017 as the basic default WordPress website. Now, let's see how you can change them. But before that, let's understand what a plugin is. Plugins are something which are add-ons to your WordPress website. So as we can see, the beautification process of WordPress involves themes and plugins. Themes is the basic layout of your WordPress, the look and feel of how it would be, and plugins is something which you keep on installing as you move further in developing your WordPress website. So you might require the sidebar, you might want to have a Facebook like button on your sidebar of your WordPress, you might want something like an image on the sidebar, you might want some newsletter sign up box in your sidebar, you might want something in the post. All those things which are add-ons which a theme doesn't have is basically installed by plugins. So both of these options needs to be installed and both of them needs to be activated. So you install a theme and you activate a theme. Similarly, you install a plugin and you activate your plugin, which is what we're gonna see step by step inside our next sections. So the first thing which we need to understand is how to install a WordPress theme. Now there are three different ways of installing a WordPress theme. Number one is you can go ahead and go to Appearance, Themes and click on Add New. And WordPress gives you all these options right in front of you. Alright, so you can just search for themes over here. So let's say you want a theme for let's say a corporate site. So you can search for corporate, hit enter, and it might just filter up options for corporate look and feel of a WordPress website. So let's just wait and here you go. So these are the available options. And now we can just click on any one of them. So let's say if we like something which is which one we should go for. Let's just scroll a little bit down. Let's say we select this one, right? CT corporate. So when we move our cursor on the top, it will say details and preview, install and preview. So you can just simply click on install. It will start installing your WordPress website, and as soon as it will install, it will ask to activate. Now it is not mandatory to activate right now. You can just see the live preview of how your website might look like. So it is showing in the demo something like this, but let's see how it looks like when we see the live preview right now. So as you can see, it is not at all showing you what it was showing in the demo. It is showing something like this, and that is where you have to understand. Whenever you install and activate a theme for your WordPress website, it won't give you all the options in the first place. It will have different options. You have to customize your theme. That is where all these options come into picture, which we'll see in a while. So make sure whenever you install and activate a theme, it won't give you the complete look and feel straight away. So let's just go back. And now if I click on themes, this theme is already there. So I can click on activate and that's it. Boom, like that it will change the look and feel. So if I click on activate, now this is the theme which is installed. So if I refresh this front end of the website, it has completely changed the look and feel. Alright, so this was the first way of installing your WordPress theme. Second way to install a theme is you can just go ahead and visit wordpress.org and you can click on themes and you can search the same thing over here. So this is known as WordPress repository. It is the theme base or the WordPress directory. Over here you can see all of those things. You can see the plugins, you can see the themes, and you can do the same thing right in front of us. You can just simply download. So let's say if I download this, it will give us a zip file. Now we have to go to our WordPress dashboard and go to appearance, themes, and click on add new and click on upload. Instead of searching over here, click on upload theme and choose the file. So you can choose the file and select this one, or you can simply drag the file right over here, click on install now, and it will start installing the WordPress website. You can see right at the bottom over here, it will show how much it has uploaded. Once it gets uploaded, it will ask us to activate. So let's click on activate. And now if I refresh the front end of the website, the look and feel of the website is once again changed. All right, but now it has nothing over here. As you can see, it has nothing. So once again, we have to customize the theme. So this is the second way of installing and activating a WordPress website. Now let's look into the third way of installing and activating the WordPress theme, and which is what you can just visit third-party websites like themeforest.net. And right over here, you can click on WordPress and select any of these premium themes. All of these themes are premium themes. So you can purchase these themes and they will give you zip files, something like this. And those zip files, you have to once again come over here, click on add new, upload the theme, and you have to activate the theme. The only difference is these are paid premium themes. You can also get paid premium themes by Googling, or you can get free WordPress themes by Googling, by writing WordPress themes for let's say magazine. All right, WordPress themes for magazine, and you will get a bunch of these. So you can click on any one of them. Let's say we click on this, and you can just scroll down, and each of them would have some more info and demo. So you can just click on demo and you can see how it looks like if you select that particular theme, which is newspaper .theme, and it will once again redirect to themeforest.net. All right, so it's one and the same. So this is how it would look like if you go and purchase this theme. So you can click on more info and download, and it will land on to the buy now option on themeforest.net, and you can purchase this theme. It will give you the zip file once you purchase and make the payment, and once again the same process. You have to add new, you have to upload, and you have to activate the theme. So that is how you install your WordPress theme. 3 different ways of installing WordPress theme. Now there is another way as well, which is used by developers most of the times, which is why we are not covering it over here. You can just go into your cPanel and you can upload your theme over there as well. But that is not required, because we as digital marketer, we just require these kind of techniques of installing WordPress theme. In the next video, we'll see how you can install WordPress plugin.